Are you an experienced candidate? Are you going to attend interview in your dream company? I think this is the video you should check out. I would like to ask you a few questions. According to you, how many companies do you think train their interviewers or technical panel to conduct the interview process? If at all, company willing to spend, do you think they dedicate their time to equip themselves as an knowledgeable interviewers? How can you use these advantages and smartly present yourself to get selected in your dream company? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case if you have not subscribed my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. It will encourage me to come up with a lot of interesting videos. I would like to ask you a simple psychological question. You as an aspiring candidate always wanted to get clicked in your dream company and want to get selected in the interview process. But imagine, if you become an interviewer, do you keep continuously preparing yourself to become a good interviewer or a knowledgeable interviewer? This role of interviewing will become a need of an hour. There is a research which says more than 80% of those involved in hiring had little or no formal training. For this very good reason, don't you think candidates always have an edge over the interviewers? A new perspective. Untrained interviewers are also equally nervous like candidates to conduct the interview process. Please ensure to watch till the end to discover a lot of worthy ideas to get placed in your dream job. Now, well ahead of the interview process, ask your recruiter about the information you need to know about the interviewer. I recommend you to go check out the details on LinkedIn. Try to understand the kind of companies the interviewer has worked with. Check out the kind of systems that he has dealt with in the past, the practices, the best practices that has happened in his previous companies, because his questions, his interviews are all going to be based on his previous experience and the challenges that he's facing in his current company. Ask your network. Go back to your network. It is important to know about your interviewer. What would be his expectation from his direct reports? What makes them really appreciate? What agitates them? Do they want people to be systematic or are they more focused on results? Try to pick relevant examples from your experience as share instances where it reflects their working style and your way of working together. Look for the work style. Some like executing their ideas. Some like improvising their ideas and doing it in a better way. Some are more directional. Some are inclined to good thinkers. Some leaders could really make their people think and follow their strategy, follow their way of working. That's one way of leaders to work. But please ensure you don't fall under the negative radar of creating impressions. Gut instincts. Untrained interviewers would interview candidates only on the gut instincts. Tip here for you is, it's important to create an impression not specific to the role you're applying, but more specific to the individual being interviewed by you. I'm going to list out simple but very effective tips to deal with such untrained interviewers. Spill the bean. Untrained interviewers, rather exploring your exposure in your field, they would spill bean on what does he want you to elaborate upon. I recommend you consider that as your talking points. You might have handled many portfolios, every company has different challenges, and you would only want you to elaborate on what relevant challenge is going on in the present company and what kind of solution that you can come up, and that will be indicated by him during the interview process. Try to pick them. Read between lines. While posting questions, he would be giving you a lot of real-time scenarios. And I can assure those real-time scenarios are nothing but the scenarios that's happening within his team, within the organization, and the challenges that's happening in his organization. Rather, I would recommend don't give him a solution. Agree with the similar challenges if in case it's happening in your company, and give him a kind of a confidence that you are able to handle that very well. Last but not the least, nodding, smiling while listening, good sitting posture. Always try to sit at the edge of the seat, and your walk. All this can really help you display very strong body language.